I've not had a brownie or a piece of cake, a pie, nothing since 2021. Caramelizing or browning your bananas will make your bananas very, very sweet. Also, using very ripened bananas will make for a very sweet brownie as well. The banana is so good. This is not sweet, but it's like if you've ever had bittersweet chocolate before, it's bittersweet, but it's not bitter. This right here took away my sugar craving. I really think that if you're having sugar cravings, this will take your cravings away. And it's really basically 3 ingredients. Let's say 4. Bananas, cacao powder, your favorite extracts, your favorite spices. Oh, and a little bit of half and half. Now, when I watched those recipes on YouTube, nobody was adding any type of dairy product or anything like that, but it looked kind of dry, and it just seemed like it needed something to help it all come together, because mine was just a little dry, and maybe it's because I put too much cacao. If it turns out it's a little dry, add a little milk or a little half and half cream, whatever you got. Now, because bananas are not keto because of the amount of carbs and sugar, I can't say this is keto. And it eats like fudge. Better. It's so good. Wow. I've not had a brownie or a piece of cake, a pie, nothing since 2021. Since 2021. Not a cake, a pie, a cookie, an ice cream, nothing. Oh, and then to have a sparkling water to go with it to wash it down. Oh, baby. Anyway.